Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna talk to you about the next part of my exercise track, this one. So after we've finished with the corners here, we just continue the ride into the more exciting parts. Yeah, here comes the... yeah, not across the stones yet, that may be a next one video. So turning here in is very tricky, because you cannot see really well what's happening here. And as you can see here, something is happening, because there are deep roots there, also there are bumps here, right here, and also there are two more of these bumps, which are almost nothing for a motocross machine, but it's really difficult for this big and heavy bike suspension. Here at this acceleration process, I usually use a neutral standing position, maybe a little bit backward, just because it goes downwards and you want to unload the front suspension a little bit. After these bumps, just like you can see, a right and after a left turn is happening, but there are no bumps. So here you can accelerate the motorbike a little bit, but not too much, because after a right turn there is a slightly left turn going down into that hole. And yeah, this hole is pretty steep, even if it doesn't look like on the camera. Yeah, riding down here is pretty simple and straightforward, because you just move your butt backwards on the motorbike and you brake with two fingers, because you don't need too much control on the bike. And as you do so, preparing in your mind already for the deep sand cornering to the right. The best way when you use this path, since it's a little bit bent and you can have a much faster movement with a much safer control, compared when you would take the middle path where you have bumps and roots and everything. So just ride easy and fast, take the outer path. Certainly when you come from the middle you have much better angle for this curve, but yeah, something. You can choose whatever you prefer. So the corner is just about the same as before. You are braking in the braking position, and then you put your bike in the small root and keep your eyes always forward and let the clutch slide in easily. And in second gear, keep the throttle to let the bike turn in these roots, in this deep sand. Just keep your balance, keep your knees tight on the motorbike. You can hold your body with that and let the whole motorbike just a little bit wobbly around to move forward fast enough. You have the momentum, you have the power in the bike. Just keep going and prepare your mind for the next tricky section, which comes in the next video. When you are riding in the deep sand, you must control your motorbike with the throttle, almost never with the brakes. Just keep on the throttle. When you need ride slower or brake, just take back. You will see the motorbike just slows down pretty fast. But you want to change the line or something, just push on the pegs, on the foot pegs, maybe a little bit help with your body, but keep your motorbike as loose as possible. If you want to know more about how to ride in deep sand, how to use the motorbike, here is an excellent video for that. Just try it, just check the basics, and when you got it with a smaller bike or eventually even with your adventure bike, you can try this knowledge, which is basically just keep tight your knees, hold your body position with this on the motorbike, and let the bike a little bit wobble, as I said, and keep your movement with the body weight changing on the foot pegs and the gas throttles. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope I could show you something interesting, or maybe even you could learn something new from my perspective, how I use this big bike in these situations. And if you liked it, keep watching my channel and see you next time. Ciao!